Hello, this is our app ServU. I'll be demonstrating the workflow of the app. Our app ServU basically connects the workers like carpenters, domestic servants, to the people who would be needing their service. When we are greeted by the login and sign up page, and we start by signing up. So if you're a service provider, you select service provider and enter your details. Uh, yeah, and your phone number. Okay, and your password, your email ID. .com. Okay, and you retype your password. That would be, yeah. So once you press on sign up, you will be asked, since you're a service provider, you'll be asked to give more information about yourself. So what kind of work, where will you be offering your service, your experience, and your price. So for example, let's take this as a carpenter. Location would be Mangalore. Experience 5 years, and price is uh, 800. So okay, so yeah, then you sign up. So yeah, this you'll be greeted with all the booking details right now. So we'll come back to this later. For now, let us be here. Okay. Okay. So yeah, right now you're back to the login screen. Okay. Okay, now you can log in as a user. So if you notice here, the new user details will be up. Okay, so okay, huh. So yeah, the new details that is space 1234 is up in the Fabric authentication. So then we can sign up as a new user. So again, give your user details. Example. Uh, so, okay, and your password, your email. Okay, and retype your password. That is okay. Then hit on sign up. So you'll be brought back to the sign up screen. So here you log in as the user with your email ID and password you have just entered. Uh, so okay, so that would be okay. Uh, 34 at the rate machine.com, and this would be okay. So once you put your credentials, you can log in. So you'll be presented with the home screen. So here you can find the all the details. So here you can search for any service you want, and the main services are neatly labeled here. And any advertisements or offers will be shown up here, and these are the testimonials. So yeah, okay. So then you can directly go to select a worker. So here a new worker detail will be put up. So okay, yeah. So if you go to this person uh, or anyone, so depending on the person, they're specialized in meat, grocery, and it will be shown up. You can select the date on which you need the service. So if you need it on August 20th, okay, select it, and then you can press on book now. So the new data which has been created. So yeah, it will the details has been booked. So it will be shown up here. So every user and every service provider details will be stored in Cloud Firestore. So yeah, so the new user which we just created, the details will be up here. So yeah, so the new yeah, and here the service provider details will be shown. For example, the new service provider which we gave. So yeah, here so Shreyas with experience 5, location Mangalore, Shreyas, yeah. And the whatever we do a booking details will be stored in the cloud file store and bookings. So all the booking details has a unique booking ID, and the details will be shown here. Okay, so for example, now Dimple booked Amy as a cook for price 2000. So yeah, okay. So if you press on the view details or the booking ID, and all the data will be stored here. For what price, user profile number, and all these things. You can go back, and once you're done, you can go back to the. So once your booking is done, you can log in as a service provider. For example, at gmail.com and the password. Okay. Once you log in as a service provider, you will be presented with all your bookings till now. So yeah, so you can press on any of the booking, and you'll be presented with the booking details. Yes, and you can also edit or view at your profile page here, and all your details appear here, your name, and you can change your password and confirm. Say yeah, and once everything is done, you can log out. It will be brought back to the login screen. Thank you.